What do? We paddle a dragon boat with 10 to 20 people on Sunday mornings on the beautiful Georges Bay. And a few times a year, we compete with other state teams at race days or fun events. Another reason to join our team is because it's inclusive and welcoming. Dragon boat racing is a sport for people of all ages and abilities. Volunteering with the Georges Bay Dragon Boat Club could be a great way to meet new people from your community and be part of our inclusive environment. Morning tea is always on offer after paddle on Sunday. Another great reason to join the dragon boats is to learn a new skill. Have you ever paddled a boat with 20 people before? It's really fun and it's such a beautiful way to spend a Sunday morning. Why join our team? Well, it promotes teamwork and fitness. Volunteering with our team could involve paddling, which is a fantastic workout, or you could help us with other tasks like setting up for team events.
Go, Georges Bay! Bloody hell, you're getting second. Go, Georges Bay! Go, 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 go!
Come and give it a go every Sunday morning at the St Helens Slipyard, 8:45 a.m. during the winter and 7:45 a.m. during daylight savings. Please contact Pam, our president, on 0417 368 726, Peter, our secretary, on 0402 848 813, or Marion, our coach, on 0428 725 177 for more details. We provide life jackets and paddles, so just come along. You'll love it. We look forward to seeing you there.